cut up the rhubarb. I've also put 2 starter anise in the pot. I've then put some brown sugar in there, dark brown sugar, and it's boiling away with 2 lemons in there. I now will make a crumble. I'm looking for an apple, but it seems you don't take fruit in this house. Thank you.
There's full of fruit there. She's coming through. And show us what you choose.
I'll choose this strange looking apple.
It's called a nashy pear. Try it. It can cook well.
So what are you looking for in this nice crumble top?
I'll choose this nashy pear. Thank you. From the basket of fruit.
Of basket. Oh.
Thank you.
Okay.
Back to the... Now, do you remove the red onion from the chopping board? Do the chickens eat this?
No, kills them.
Thank you.
I need to stand back because this is not going to look good for the general public in a minute when I download it on YouTube.
Now it appears uncooked until you actually get cut it with a 5-anchor.
When you cut up an ashy pear, do you just cut the sticker off? Why peel it off when you can cut it off? Like that?
With our other flavourings that we put in there.
Peel it off? Cut it off. Thank you. Some pears in.
At this point in time. Because I think, especially when you
pears have sticks.
Tricky
thing.
Particularly well because
you know that? No.
I've got a little bit of powdered ginger here, which brings
So you must core the pear quietly.
Powdered ginger all over the top like that. Other flavourings.
Have you got something boiling your rhubarb? What are you doing over there in the kitchen?
Just a bit of mashed pear and rhubarb on the boil. Cut that off, whatever that is.
Ginger and the rhubarb already in there. Like that.
I've still got ginger in here. Oh, I better get more ginger.
Place this into another dish because we're actually going to bake this in the oven. We're going to pop it into our oven-proof dish here.
So how long have you been cooking for, Ash?
Well, I've been knowledgeable about cooking for about a good 10 years. Somebody special came into my life with and they've opened my eyes to the way.
Who would that be, Ash?
Just say no names because I don't want to name names. Rick, I don't want to toot my own trumpet. Thank you.
Have you got any advice out there for the people wanting to cook like you?
Yeah.
Could you just give it?
Don't be afraid. All I can say is don't be afraid. Eat the leaves of the rhubarb if you want to. I don't know why people don't. It's a waste. There's people hungry. I might make them tonight and we'll see how we go.
So, with this crumble,
You guys will never know.
I
feel like it's very Christmassy what I'm making in that pot. It's very seasonal as such.
So just some finishing words, Ash, for your chefieting.
Finishing words would be, don't watch your boiled pot before it hatches. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.